आज मैं ऐसा रोस्ट चिकन बनाने वाली हूँ जो बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज़ में बहुत ही पॉपुलर और बहुत ही फेवरेट है। टुडेज़ रेसिपी फराह खान्स रोस्ट चिकन। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, do let me know in the comments below which country are you watching this from. So to begin with, I have a whole chicken here and I'm just gonna slash the chicken from front and back so that the chicken marinates really well. As you can see, I have flipped the chicken and I'm also gonna slash in the back. Let me know if you have tried this recipe before. It's my second time making this recipe. The first time when I made this recipe, I found mustard sauce flavors overwhelming. So this time I have used a little bit less mustard sauce. If you want, you can use a little bit more. Now I'm done slashing the chicken. I'm dumping all the spices in here for the marination so that I can mix it first and then add the chicken and marinate it. So here I have garlic paste, red chilli flakes, black pepper powder, mustard sauce, salt, olive oil and some lime juice. And I'm also adding some green chilli paste this time. This is completely optional. This is not in the original recipe, but I just felt like adding some green chilli paste this time. Now I'm just giving it a good mix before I add my chicken in it. As you can see, I just added some green chilli paste. You can skip this if you want. Now I added the chicken and I'm going to marinate it really well. I'm using my hand here so I know that I'm marinating it everywhere. I'm also going to marinate it inside the cuts that I have made on the chicken. Flip the chicken and marinate very well. Make sure you put the marination inside the chicken as well. Cover it and marinate it for at least half an hour. The original recipe calls for right away cooking, but I like to marinate my chicken this time. I want to see how it goes. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to cook this chicken. I have my wok here. Into this, I'm gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm gonna place the whole chicken in here. And I'm gonna use all the marination sauce. And now I'm adding about 1 to 1.5 cups of water. And I covered and cooked it on medium-low heat for about half an hour. And after half an hour, I'm gonna flip the chicken. It looks and smells so good. Carefully flip the chicken, make sure it doesn't break. And I'm gonna cover and cook on medium-low heat again for another 25 minutes. I'm gonna flip the chicken carefully again. And I'm gonna check if the breast part is cooked nicely. Whenever I make whole chicken like this or Lahori charka, I make sure I set aside some of the stock for my husband. He likes to eat it as a curry. He likes to pour it over the rice and he enjoys it like that. So the breast part needed a little bit more cooking, so I flipped it over again and I cooked it for another 10 to 15 minutes. It was past lunchtime and everyone in the house was getting impatient, so I decided to cook it over a medium-high heat to dry the water. So I decided to just saute it until the water dries completely. As you can see, the breast part was cooked nicely. And I just sauteed it until the water dried completely. Here you can see the water was dried and the chicken was ready. It's a really nice recipe. Do give this recipe a try. I would say the chicken turned out really juicy. The mustard sauce and the lemon juice really enhanced its flavors. It's a very minimal ingredients recipe. Do give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking!